What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video in the Ideal Auto Factory, where we talk about all things RCs and vinyl wrapping. Today we're going to be working on the RES2 again. We're going to put it on the bench. We're going to get it some new shocks. Reason being, I am selling my Unicon 01, but the deal is that it does not get the Overdose HG dampers, so I have to take the dampers off of here and swap them with these. Let's get to it. Keep God first, y'all. That's big this year. Gonna make sure I emphasize that even more, because just to be able to enjoy this hobby, sometimes even the success or the ability or the opportunities that I get to vinyl wrap and make these videos is all because of God. You know, I'm so thankful to be a child of God, to be someone who can freely express that I am Christian, that I actually am in the Word, and I'm someone that, you know, kind of pursues God, or, you know, wants to walk alongside God in everything that I do. It's not simple every day, but, you know, I make the best of it. Let's keep God first. Let's get into this video. Taking off some MST dampers, putting on some Overdose dampers, and that whole process. Let's do it. First thing I want to do is introduce my new tool, electric driver. And it just sits in here. It even has a cover for itself. I've already placed some of the hexes that I normally use on it. It goes in this nice little case, and it just locks, and then boom, take it out. It's ready to go. Charges with USB-C. Looking forward to using this a lot. But yeah, so the first thing I'm going to take off is the rear dampers here. As you can see in the back, we have to take off this bottom, and then we're going to take off that top. Right there, you see right there, we're going to take that off. Should be nothing to it. That's the top off. Now for the bottom. Bottom's a little harder, it's more precise here. You just turn that wheel some and lift it out the way. There it is. And we have made our way out of the car. The bottom's really tight. Does not move under its own weight at all. Gonna fix that. First things first. Remove the spring. So we're gonna keep that right there. Take the other one off, do the same exact thing. That over here for right now. Oh, great. Didn't fall too far. That would have been close. I was about to lose my two washers there. But yeah, soon these don't move under their own weight, so I definitely was not getting the best performance out of these dampers. But either way, yep, they all still kind of do the same thing here. Kinda. Yeah. Let's switch on over to the rear of the Unicon 01. Just pop that top off. That's how that goes. And then we'll remove that bottom. See if I can get in there. Same way. Oh yeah. Gonna do the other side here, and done. Now these moved under their own weight, no problem. So when I take these screws out, I'm going to take the whole bottom end. So this whole bottom end I'm going to keep with the Unicon 01 over here, and then this bottom end I'm going to transfer over to There we go. We're gonna swap the bottoms. The tops are gonna stay. It's pretty crazy that these aren't moving under their own weight. So you give it a little squeeze, both sides. It should start to be free like that. I got caught up again. I wonder if this is only a temporary fix. When you squeeze your pieces like that. Let's go ahead and switch out the bottom ends and I'll be back. So those are two different thread pitches. You can see there, one's way more fine than the other one. And that means that these don't fit on these dampers. So I got to change that up and find a different end. We have found a keeper. Overdose. And then I actually have the ball cups to go with it too. So that's what we'll use. Go ahead and get that on all the way. I think it's going to be pretty cool to see the finished product here, because the springs, these springs are set up for this car, but like it's never been something that has a different setup on it. So just be nice to see something different on it. There we go. This tool is a game changer for me. It has 3 torque settings too, so you can change the torque setting on it. I don't think I will have to do that because the lowest torque setting is all I need. But look at that. You got one in there and it feels identical to what was there. So this is going to be great, because I didn't want to give the customer something that I didn't have, or a tune that I guess you can say that I didn't have, that I really enjoyed it. So it's going to be nice to offer them the same kind of like ride quality in a drift car. The ride quality, or the suspension dampening, you should say, that I had. Yeah, really high off the ground here. I put my whole hand under there. So I'm gonna go ahead and, yep, I'm on the right one. So we're gonna take this here. Ooh, there it is. Take that top one out. That right there, game changer. And now, back to being low. Yes. So basically, bring that spring rate back up. Oh yeah, look at the drop. Look at it. It's so nice. That goes to show you don't need expensive stuff to do the same job. Just saying. I'm always getting these viewpoints on things, but when I just switched out these are like $250 shocks, brand new. I didn't pay that much for them, and it's still doing the same exact thing that it used to. That's awesome. So let me switch out the fronts, or better yet, let me do this on the RES2, and then I'll be back. And we have the Overdose dampers on the rear. They're on there. Look at them. They just work. They just work, okay? This is going to get fixed. So what I think I'm going to do, see, because I don't like that. It doesn't want to drop. Like, see that? It drops. Every car should do that. But no, this one doesn't. And I know why too. I have a limitation back here, and it's all of those clear turnbuckles. So I might try and find them in silver, find these in silver, and then put those on here. And that way, this is so free. It's gonna change the game. All right, now let's do the front. I take these dampers off. I'm gonna change that whole setup. We have the dampers off of the RES2 up front. Now, I wish these would drop a little smoother. See that? Quick. It's like latency testing. This one just, that one just drops. This one has like a little delay. Whatever. 2 cents of performance. Who knows whether it makes that big a difference, right? And there we have it. Just like it was before. Had to change up those front springs, but yeah, we're in the game. We are in the game. Probably a little too high, but perfect for starting out. Now I gotta put the dampers back on the RES2 up here. Look at that. Nice. Perfect. We not at this level yet. But we gonna get there. We will get there. Difference, barely. The changeover of the dampers has been done. And that vehicle is ready to sell. This one just got a whole lot more expensive. I want to de-anodize the V4 gyro plate. If that goes well, then I will be like almost finished with this, like completely. Thank you for watching. Comment down below what you think. I've had a few people message me on Instagram. That is not the best way to reach me. I got Reddit, I got my own Discord, and also just your basic messenger. But I'm sorry if I didn't see your messages there. It's great to communicate on here in the comments because that helps us. It helps this whole channel grow. And I would just love for everyone to communicate through here a lot more. And that way we all get to share in this journey. Because I don't know everything. I know you don't know everything. But together we can know more than we did yesterday. So, all right. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Keep God first. Stay blessed. Peace.